Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, three issues are popping up onto the trading screens this morning. Every commodity is lower. China's GDP data was lower than expected, suggests slowing of growth. You've got gold down as much as $100 an ounce, crude almost down $2 a barrel. And the grains, beans are down somewhere between 6 to 9 cents. Corn's down 9 cents, wheat's down 15 cents. So kind of a lot of the stuff that we did last week in building the market up after the USDA supply and demand report, we're taking back because of the global economic issue. Our consultant Hightower feels that the world economy is rated like a 6 or a 7 out of 10. And this reaction today is more a reaction to slower growth, disappointing growth, than it is that a major meltdown. But still, he doesn't see any short-term fix either in Europe or possibly the United States or even in China that would kind of turn things around. And so you have, number two, a very bearish technical picture in all of commodities, and more of the technical traders, the funds, may liquidate positions out of commodities because of just a washout of a deflationary outlook. A second thing is weather. United States, we're wet. Corn plantings today will be behind average and well behind last year. The thing about it is, though, the long-range maps are consistent that this is the last wet week of the spring and that things will start drying out and we'll get the crops planted. The two main global areas of concern, number one is Canada and northern part of the U.S. plains. They will stay wet and cold. Canada's plantings will be delayed. The second area is the western part of the former Soviet Union in the Volga Valley. It is too dry there right now, and it was dry in the fall, so they need rains immediately, and there is none forecasted. Today, some of the data that comes out, export inspections should be on the low side for the United States. Cash markets are two different markets. The soybean cash basis levels are near record high levels. Corn basis late last week backed off both domestically and export. So you have two different, as far as cash influences in the marketplace. And again, we'll be looking for corn plantings today to be behind average, and we expect that the USDA will probably lower the ratings of the U.S. winter wheat crop because of last week's freeze. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
It's 415-400-16. I'm selling one piece of meal like a market.